Okay, guys, start this one with a coughing. Yeah, wow. Well, this one I just got this one in. It says a sticker on it says bad, but for now I'm gonna leave the sticker for now until I repair it. So maybe it's still bad. So yeah, you never know. This one they said they don't know really. They didn't tell me what happened if it comes on anything, but you know me already. I don't hook nothing, no wires up and nothing. Like once they said it's not working, you know, C&C Electronics won't put any power to it until I take the cover off. So guys, alright, as you can see, this is a Stetson EX3000 EQ. So this is 2 ohm stable digital 3000 watt RMS 2 ohms, you know. So and this says export line, so whatever that means. Let's get a cover off and see what the Stetson have in store for us. Because it's Stetson, you never know. These amplifiers, and you can see still have the, wow, let's do something else to get that cover. As you can see, guys, it still have the, you know, these still attached. So this never been opened before. Yeah, I'm sure of that. Very sure of that. Yep. So alright. And to tell you the truth, guys, this looks pretty clean. Like for like let's see. Okay. Alright. As you guys can see, yeah, nothing, doesn't look like anything, no burn, nothing. But you know, that's just the looks for now. Look for now. That's how it looks for now. So yeah, don't worry, guys. You never know what might happen soon after this. What we might discover. What you can see with the naked eyes, the meter will tell me, or whichever way I test it. So guys, C&C Electronics back at clicked again with another Stetson amplifier repair. So first I'm gonna test the, oh wow, you know what, oh this side looks crazy over here. So like something was eating. That's a power supply MOSFET, guys. They read fine. Alright. Oh really? Hold on. Gate to drain is like, it's reading, that's not right. Wow. Gate to drain is giving me a continued drain, like something shorting out somewhere. Oh, let me check the outputs. That's okay. Output is okay. So you have two. Alright, one output is not reading. So one of them is shorting out, guys. One of the outputs. So let's take this thing apart and see what's going on here. What the heck is going on here? Alright, so, and of course this uses the IRFB 4127. Oh my god, YRFB4127. Do I have those? Do I have those if I'm gonna repair it? Maybe not. But I know what I have. Let me just take this whole thing apart, guys. YRFB 4127. I don't think I have that in. Maybe I do. 4227. Oh wow, Jesus. Huh. Guys, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, 1404. Yeah, power supply is messed up too. Gate to drain is reading. Yeah, it was giving me a not so good reading. So I'm gonna show you guys what's up with that. Something really happened to it. So this goes on both power supply and output section of this amplifier is burnt out. So guys, I'll let you guys see what I'm talking about, guys. Guys, if you could look clearly right here. Yeah, this is messed up right there. Hold on, let's show you. Yeah, I think yes, you guys can see clearly now. Yep, that 1404 is messed up. Yeah. So this, I have to take this whole thing apart. Yes, guys, not a STETSOM repair. So now, okay, there's one screw there, and there's wow, you guys can see a piece of the MOSFET on my finger. Alright guys, alright, put the chassis aside for now. Clean this up a little bit, and okay, circuit board looks like this, and then the gut view of the circuit board looks like. Let's show you guys so you can see the component, in just in case anybody has want to repair like this, they can see give the SMD you know, wow. So let me plug in this other end from now just to get it heated, because this one is gonna be a little longer than I expected. Alright, Wow. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1404 IR1404 power supply MOSFET in this STETSOM amplifier is burnt out. As you could see, the result on this one right here. Yeah, that one is, yeah, messed up. I'll do that, and I think this one here is really not so good. 4127 IRFB 4127. But if I don't have any okay guys, I have the 4127. I have B4127. Come on, I have 41. IRFB 4127. Alright guys, yeah, that's not a really big issue for me with it, because you know the IRB 41 or 4115 is just the same, strong enough though, so I wouldn't worry too much about the 4127. It's a powerful MOSFET, just the same. So I'm gonna replace all these four MOSFET here, yeah, with the IRFB 4115. Yeah, that's what I normally use to replace these MOSFET. So I'm not worried too much. Okay. So guys, alright guys, let me go ahead and take these stuff apart right here. Remove these MOSFET from now. This power supply MOSFET, which is the 1404. That's 1404. You know me guys, I like to use put some really fast on me. Good. That's one. I mean, that's two. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh man. Yikes. Piece of the circuit board come with that one. Come on. What the heck is going on here? Alright guys, so let me check something on this side. This is what I should be using. Wow. This thing will take your teeth out. Can you imagine? This thing is really powerful. No, something is wrong. Something is not right with it. But good. Okay, guys, yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna remove all these old power supply MOSFET 1404 and 4127 RB 4127, and I get back to you guys with part 2 of this video. Okay, so yeah, cause this is gonna take a long time for me to remove this, so I don't want the video to be too long, because when I'm ready to transfer it, it's gonna take me a long, because I use my cell phone and it takes me a long time to transfer it. If I make the video over like 15 minutes or over 20 minutes, yeah, it takes a long time. So bear with me, guys. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 of this video, you know. And I don't really edit my videos, like speed up and stuff. So yeah, my wife does it, not me. So I don't have any say in that part, and she told me that's why I should record them for her. It's easier for her. So just bear with me, guys. With this STETSOM amplifier, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, guys.